Berlin, a city where history whispers through cobblestone streets and modernity pulses beneath a vibrant skyline. Join us as we unveil the secrets of the best places to visit in this enigmatic metropolis. Topography of Terror. The topography of terror in Berlin, which once served as the nerve center of the Nazi, annually attracts 1.3 million visitors. Although admission is free, guided tours enhance the experience by delving into the site's grim history. This location symbolizes Berlin's painful past, piquing the interest of tourists from around the world. The guided tours meticulously uncover long-concealed Nazi secrets, offering visitors profound historical context and enriching their understanding. This iconic landmark encapsulates the multifaceted history of Berlin, establishing itself as an essential destination for those intrigued by the city's complex and tumultuous past. It stands as a somber reminder of the atrocities committed during World War II and serves as a place for reflection and remembrance. Charlottenburg Palace. An architectural marvel located just a bit beyond Berlin's city center, is celebrated for its impressive china and painting collections. Nestled in a charming palace garden along the banks of the River Spree, it claims the title of Berlin's largest palace. More than just a spot for day trips, the palace transforms into a versatile venue for exclusive events, notably featuring exceptional concerts with the Berlin Residence Orchestra. During these musical soirees, the talented musicians perform contemporary hits, delivering a distinctive and unforgettable entertainment experience. This grand edifice, steeped in history and culture, continues to be a captivating draw for visitors, offering a blend of art, architecture, and music in a beautiful setting. Tiergarten. Originally a hunting ground, Berlin's Tiergarten underwent a transformation in the 18th century by landscape architect Peter Lynn. This vast city park, one of the world's largest, features expansive lawns, shaded pathways, wooded groves, romantic corners, ponds, and streams. It offers a serene escape from urban life, providing tranquility amidst nature. During summer, charming beer gardens within the park invite visitors to unwind and appreciate the peaceful ambiance. Tiergarten stands as a testament to Berlin's harmonious blend of history and nature, offering locals and tourists alike a lush oasis within the bustling city, making it a must-visit for those seeking relaxation and natural beauty in the heart of Berlin. Jewish Museum. The Jewish Museum in Berlin, a symbol of German Jewish heritage, stands out as a significant destination, particularly in December. Spread across 3 buildings, the museum captures the period of Jewish settlement in Germany, leaving a lasting impression of the Holocaust on Berlin's collective memory. Crafted by Daniel Liebeskind, a descendant of a family victimized by the Nazis, the museum's lightning bolt-shaped structure, visible from above, represents a rare architectural masterpiece with deep historical and political significance. Open for exploration, visitors can admire the museum's intricate design, marveling at its artistic creativity and historical importance. Mauer Park. Once a part of the Berlin Wall and now nestled in the Prenzlauer Berg district, is a top attraction in Berlin, drawing visitors of all ages. It transforms into a bustling flea market and lively karaoke stage on weekends, offering entertainment for families. The former wall segment acts as a canvas for street artists, enhancing its vibrant ambiance. Mauer Park provides a complete experience, a sprawling open space beneath the sky that invites relaxation and artistic exploration. It encapsulates the essence of Berlin's dynamic culture, combining family-friendly outings with the creativity of street art, making it a lively and essential destination in the city. Alexanderplatz, located in Berlin's Mitte district, is synonymous with bustling energy. This vibrant area features iconic attractions such as the 365-meter television tower, the city's tallest edifice, and the bustling Alexa shopping mall. The famous world time clock adds to its allure. Witnessing Berlin's political and social evolution, Alexanderplatz is a condensed embodiment of the city's rich history. For time-pressed travelers, it stands as a compact yet comprehensive experience, encapsulating Berlin's essence from iconic landmarks to lively shopping. This bustling square not only showcases the city's vibrant spirit, but also serves as a hub for history, culture, and contemporary life, making it an essential stop to understand Berlin's dynamic character. The Berlin Wall Memorial. The Berlin Wall, constructed in 1961 to prevent East German citizens from fleeing to the west, stood as a 4-meter-high barrier stretching 155 kilometers, dissecting 55 streets, and featuring 293 observation towers and 57 bunkers. Today, only graffiti-covered remnants remain, notably a 1.4-kilometer section preserved as part of the Berlin Wall Memorial, Gedenkstätte Berliner Mauer. Serving as a chilling reminder of past animosities, this site showcases historical landmarks like the Marienfelde Refugee Center Museum and the Günter Litvin Memorial. Visitors can explore the Window of Remembrance and the Visitor Center, offering views of the remaining wall sections, with guided tours available in English. The German Museum of Technology. The German Museum of Technology, inaugurated in 1983, stands as a testament to Germany's industrial prowess. It provides a wonderful destination for families, featuring interactive exhibits on the Industrial Revolution and hands-on workshops. Within its walls, visitors can explore the transformation of vehicles, including the examination of steam engines dating back to 1843. An unmissable experience is the opportunity to ride a vintage 1930s train from the museum to its depot during weekends. The museum also caters to English-speaking guests with guided tours and offers on-site dining and picnic facilities, ensuring a comprehensive and enjoyable visit for all. For those intrigued by Germany's technological legacy, this museum is a treasure trove of knowledge and a delightful exploration of the country's industrial heritage. Pergamon Museum. The Pergamon Museum, a gem on Berlin's Museum Island, is a must-visit. It houses 3 main galleries: the Middle East Museum, the Islamic Art Museum, and the Antiquity Collection. The museum showcases artifacts collected by German archaeologists during the 19th and 20th centuries from Egypt, the Middle East, and Asia. Despite escaping harm during World War II, its true allure lies in architectural marvels like the Ishtar Gate of Babylon and the Roman Market Gate of Miletus. Visitors can marvel at these wonders and enhance their experience at the on-site cafe and bookshop. This museum offers a captivating journey through history, making it an essential cultural destination in the heart of Berlin. That's all for this video.